PapamFam, pambansang pamilya. PapamFam, samahan natin sila. Pag-build the bonding ng pamilya.
Hey everyone, this is my first ever Pandora bracelet and I'd like to take a video of my unboxing of this Pandora bracelet. Here we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. So there you go. This is my new Pandora bracelet. So I used the row of heart clips to seal them. And this is the intricate heart lock dangle. This is the family love charm. So you can see there's love and there's family. And I used Darling Daisy spacers, and this is another charm. It's called the Angel Wings locket dangle. And I have a charm, Mother's Heart, and the Love dangle, Pink Love dangle. Alright, today I will unbox my Pandora bracelet. So this here, and it is the story of my life. So there you go. This is my mom charm, and of course the queen, and I have hearts, I have family, I have a home, I have a camera charm, and also an angel, of course a shopping bag because I love bags. Since I love shoes, I also have a stiletto charm, and of course this crown, and most of them are actually related to family. So there's a family charm. So there you have it, my Pandora bracelet.